In this second video of chest workout series, we will demonstrate 8 exercises that can be performed at home without the need of any equipment. Be rest assured that the workout will help you to gain strength and develop every part of your chest. The workout is a combination of 8 exercises that need to be performed with minimal rest in between. Let's start now.
Sex in the morning. She don't really care, yeah, she like it like that. She want me to own it, so I give her what she want and she throw it right back, like grab her by the waist. Baby, what's my name? She say, daddy, don't do me that way, but I'm about to rock your body right. Alright, get up on it, come ride this pony. Jump around, yeah. You know you got that good and I want it. Come on, baby, let me get a little taste. I'm good at turning you out. No turning back with her now, girl. I'm about to rock your body right. Alright. Wake up, girl, it's morning time. I got that breakfast that you like. Oh. Wake up, girl, it's morning time. I'm about to rock your body right. Girl, I hear you moaning. Love the way it sounds, talk to me like that. Tell me how you want it. Baby, whisper in my ear, don't be holding nothing back. Say, grab me by the waist, baby, call my name.